Yeah, so for chimney breasts, there's a couple of different ways to do this. I'm first of all going to show you uh, using how to create a chimney breast using the wall corners. So I've just added a couple of corners here, and of course you can move these around by dragging, or you can use your keyboard to nudge kind of by the millimeter or centimeter if you hold shift and use your arrow keys. So a chimney breast would be this kind of shape, and you can see here you can adjust for the depth of your chimney breast. Say ours is 50 centimeters. And yeah, so that gives you your chimney breast. Then what we want to do is add the opening for the chimney breast. So that's under structure. And what we're looking for is an aperture that's recessed into a wall. So select that and drag that over. So you can see here, this is our hole in the chimney breast. You can then add a fire surround, go for a stone, put that into position. Now if we go to view our elevation view of this wall, so you'll see our fire surround. And then I suppose a useful trick with this is when you're using the corners of the wall to construct the chimney breast, you have the full choice of all of the decor options, so your skirting boards, your cornicing. If you do the same for the walls either side, what you end up with is a more true representation of your chimney breast wall. So there you go. So that's how you would create a chimney breast using the wall corners. Then the other way to do this, instead of using the wall corners, and what I'll do, let's go to the other side of the room to show this, is you can add a chimney breast block to the wall, but you are more limited on your decoration options here. What you're looking for your aperture is you'll find that the classic apertures are these are connected to a wall, so they're stuck to a wall like that. For the chimney breast item, what you're looking for is the detached version. So if we go down to structure and then detached, and here we go, we've got this freestanding aperture that'll snap to the front of your chimney breast. And then when you go to look at the wall, you can see that there. And you can still, tile this if, say, this was a bricked aperture. You could do it that way. I'd recommend adding the fire surrounds from the plan view. Anything that you add from the wall elevation view will be added to the back of the wall. So in this case, if I go and find maybe a more plain fire surround, drag that in. There you go.